One of the 3 key priorities of the Police and Crime Commissioner in Dyfed-Powys is that victims are supported. We want to ensure victims are recognised and supported with responses and services tailored to their individual needs. Why is this important? The Police and Crime Commissioner has a responsibility for ensuring that we deliver an excellent service for victims in Dyfed-Powys and that the rights of victims are respected. How? We aim to deliver timely responses to the public's calls for help, learning from the experience of survivors to inform future practice, innovation to support an increase in reporting opportunities for victims, a more diverse workforce that is representative of our communities, specific support for victims of serious sexual offences and hate crimes, and fewer victims disengaging or withdrawing support for justice. What does this mean for victims? Your crime will be recorded accurately. You will be safeguarded against harm and repeat victimization. You will be listened to and receive a positive experience regardless of the outcome. Your rights under the Victims Code and Witness Charter will be upheld. And you will be offered support from services designed to help victims cope and recover. For more information on the Police and Crime Commissioner's vision and priorities for Dyfed-Powys, download the Police and Crime Plan from our website.